Email marketing tutorial for beginners. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to triple your sales with this email marketing strategy. And we're going to do this with only 3 simple steps. But before we get going, make sure to subscribe and hit that notification button because I'm going to be making more videos of how to make money online and you don't want to miss them. So let's go to work. Email marketing tutorial for beginners. The best thing I thought I would do is I would put all these questions that people have problems with and try to solve them for you so you can triple your sales very easily. So these are the top questions that I usually get. How many emails should I send and when? Number 2, can I send emails to prospects without writing any emails? Number 3, can email marketing providers shut down my email account? So let's go ahead and get started here. Email marketing tutorial for beginners. Here's the first question. How many emails should I send? Well, let's go ahead and just discover that. Now you gotta send in between 7 and 10 emails. There is a reason why you should do that and why you should stay away from sending more. Because the simple fact is, if you are sending more than 7 or 10, you're gonna be marked as a spam. 2 reasons why. Number 1 is that the prospect is not interested in your product. And you have to understand that. Number 2, if you keep sending emails, they're going to mark you as a spammer. I'm talking about the prospect that you are selling that product to. They're going to say, you know what? You keep sending me that stuff. I don't want it. I'm going to mark you as a spammer. Now, the other thing is, what time should you send in your emails to the prospects? The best way to send it in is the same time the prospect opted in to your email list. So if they did it in the afternoon, send it in the afternoon. You don't have to be so precise about the exact time. All right, number 2, can I send emails to prospects without writing any emails? Let's find out. The answer is yes, and I showed you before in case you didn't watch my videos about that. All you gotta do is copy email marketing swipes from the vendor. What I'm talking about is very simple. Is each provider that actually sell their products, it could be on any network like Digistore24 or ClickBank, it doesn't matter. They usually provide you with swipes. What I'm talking about, these are pre-written emails for their product. But the trick is not to copy the same ones and send them, because that would be a big problem, especially with the email marketing autoresponder. So what you want to do is like number 2, which is rewrite the email marketing swipes. I did show you how to do it with just a few seconds with the software that I provided you with. All you got to do is just go and watch the videos about emails in the playlist and you'll be able to see what I'm talking about. For example, if you go to ClickBank, you got to go and look under the affiliate page. Now, some network, they call it affiliate resource page. It doesn't matter, it's the same thing. When you click on it, you should see some swipes, email swipes. You copy them and then you put them in that software that I provided you with, and you'll be able to reproduce them without having the same emails. The reason for that is if everybody sends the same email, and a lot of affiliate marketers, they just copy and paste and send it, and that's a problem with the email marketing autoresponder, because they know that a lot of people sending the same exact emails, so they close your account or they give you a warning. So be careful with that. Let's move on about email marketing tutorial for beginners. Let's go ahead and go to question number 3. Can email marketing providers shut down my email account? The answer is yes, they can. Now, there are some reasons why they will do that. If you are sending prospects straight from social media to affiliate sales page, this is a problem. Not only are you going to have your account shut down in your email autoresponder, also, if you are sending them from social media, for example, they're going to know that you are engaged in affiliate marketing. And as I said many times before, social media don't like affiliate marketers, period. And if they know, and they will know, where you are sending these people to, they'll also close your account. Number two, if you are sending prospects straight from your email to affiliate sales page. I've covered that before, probably, in case you don't know. I'm going to go ahead and show you here in a minute what you should do. What I mean by that, if you have an email autoresponder, obviously you're going to have to write some emails. And if there is a link sending people to a sales page, guess what? Your email autoresponder, they're going to know that you are sending people to a affiliate sales page. They don't like that. So they're going to shut down your account as well. So is there a solution? The answer is, let's find out. Email marketing tutorial success strategy that works with any email marketing provider. So the answer is yes. A lot of people, maybe the guru that you are following, maybe they're not covering that for you and they're not showing you how to do it. They just ask you about maybe buy their program or buy their stuff or buy whatever. I'm not selling you any course here. I don't sell you any courses here. There's nothing here for you to buy. All I want you to do is support this channel so it'll support itself and I can provide you with free information. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go with what most affiliate marketers do, which is they advertise on social media for free. And I provided this bridge page, opt-in page, and a how to get to this sales page as well. In case you don't have that, you need to go back to my videos and you can actually get that without buying a sales funnel, because I did a hack and I gave it to my subscribers. In case you want to, you can just watch some of the videos and you'll be able to download it and use it. Now, this is not the subject of this video, so let's go back to the email marketing tutorial. We're talking about your success here and how you can do it to triple your sales, because most affiliate marketers are not doing that. So you have to understand that the reason I created a bridge page and opt-in page, which you can have access to, is because I want to get away as much as possible from the social media. I want to create a buffer zone. I talked about that before. There's a buffer zone that you have to create. Otherwise, the social media is going to shut down your own social media account. You're not going to be able to do any email marketing at all. So after that, what happens? The way I have it is it goes straight automatically to the sales page. Now, when they opt in, this opt-in is going to go to your free email marketing autoresponder that I provided you with as well. So what's going to happen is going to be, you're going to create those emails that I talked to you about, and you are going to send them to your prospects. So when that happens, you know by now that most people don't buy from the first time. What I'm talking about is that if you are trying to sell something, you have to understand as an affiliate marketer that not everybody, or not even just a small portion, gonna buy from the first time. The rest are going to buy from the follow-up that you create in the email marketing autoresponder. So what you put in your emails, of course, you're gonna have to put some kind of a link to send them back to the sales page. But how can you do that? How can you do that without being shut down from your email marketing autoresponder? And so in this marketing tutorial, email marketing tutorial, I'm showing you how to do it exactly. So what you want to do is, if you see that, you want to put that affiliate sales page inside WordPress. As you know, WordPress is free, but of course the hosting is not. But I'm providing you with the best opportunity to get that, because you have to have some kind of a presence online. You don't want to be homeless online. So you have to have some kind of a website. The website is free. The hosting is not, but I got the best prices out there. If you want to use it, it's up to you. If you want to not use it, you don't have to. But if you do that, you can sell any products anywhere, because it's not going to somebody else's sales page that a lot of email marketers, and I'm talking about affiliate email marketers, they are spamming through their email marketing campaign. So you want to stay away from that. So this is how you would do it. There's also, in case you are wondering how to do it, there's a training on that I provided in case you don't have it. What you want to do is let me know, and I will do what I'll do. I'll show you where to go to get it in case you want to do that. And I would actually suggest that you would do it because it doesn't matter to me, but you can sell any type of product without really worrying about getting shut down, because they are cutting down and they are getting more strict with affiliate marketers. Nobody likes affiliate marketers. The simple fact is a lot of affiliate marketers are spamming. Stay away from that. Your email marketing tutorial that I have here for you is a substitute for that. Now, what are we going to talk about right now is something that is very important that 98% of all affiliate marketers don't do when it comes to email marketing. Email marketing tutorial, how to drive targeted traffic to your landing pages. From what I understand and what I know, and it's fine that most people, as far as affiliate marketers, they like free traffic, which is fine. I'm not saying you don't need to. And what they do is they send it to the landing page that I have created, which it should be inside your WordPress. So with this, you're not going to make a whole lot of money fast, because the law of free traffic is not fast. It takes a long time, and many people have started before you doing free posting here and there on social media. So what you want to do, how can you beat them? Because they're ahead of you. The only way you can do that is with 24 targeted traffic. I'm going to put the link in the description below so you'll be able to have access to it. And yes, I'm sorry I did not tell people about that before, because I got some people who are upset. Why didn't you tell us that there is a discount in your link underneath? There is. I don't try to push it. You don't want to use it, don't use it. If you want to use it, this is the best way. This is what we do for us and our clients as well. So what happens here? What happens is that you will make a lot more money much faster. You will also build your email list, which is the heartbeat of your success in any type of online business. If you want to make $500 a day with a free email marketing funnel, click up here. If you want to know everything about Instagram and how to do it and build your empire with Instagram, all you have to do is click right here, because this is a free training that you can take advantage of. And as usual, I will see you at the top.